Let's do some unboxings. I got two packages today, a power bank and something very interesting. Allegedly, because I don't know how it will work. I already got something similar and it didn't work. So yeah, let's see. Here's a piece of cardboard. Uh, yeah, begging for a review in Romanian and Hungarian. Nice. Okay. I'm not gonna leave them a review. And okay, that's it. It's a Miernik USB Volt Mierz E 363 from Ritu. And this is probably the model. USB tester voltage 4 to 20. Okay, so I can use Type C. 99999 milliamp hour. Okay, so it can test capacity. I mean, how much current has passed through. And yeah, so I will be testing batteries with this, power banks, phones, chargers, all sorts of stuff. If it works. Let's see. Yeah. It's nice, shiny. Here's the screen allegedly, input and output. And here are the chips that's inside. You can't really read the big chip, but yeah, this will be useful if it works. And I have a $4 power bank here that I don't have any high hopes for, but I bought it because it was cheap. I test it. If it's good, I keep it. If it's not even close, then yeah, I return it. So come on. Oh, it's in a box. This is funny. Can you see something? The flashlight is on. Oh boy. I didn't do this. So, yeah. If this button gets pressed... So this is from shipping probably. If the button gets pressed, the flashlight is on. This is funny. Let's switch it off. And yeah, I have to drain it and then charge it up and see the capacity. And talking about capacity, let's try to plug this in to see if it even turns on. Yeah. Okay. It turned on. So I'll do some testing. See you next video.